Hey guys, I'm Houston Horne with Handy Guys Moving, and I want to take some time today to show you the right stuff for your move. This is a part of our warehouse where we keep some extra items and some packing materials, and I can show you some of the items that we'd bring and use on your move. We understand that packing can be overwhelming. That's why at Handy Guys Moving, we have you covered. We have full bundles of all the packing materials that you could possibly need for your move. That's why you don't have to run all over town looking for individual items to pack your house for your move. We're going to talk about packing for a minute. Say you have some fragile items such as this red bowl, and you're not quite sure how you're going to handle it during your move. We have packing paper, we have boxes over here which we're going to show you soon, and we have bubble wrap and tape and everything else that you would need to properly pack fragile items such as this bowl. Okay, so we've talked about packing. Now let's talk about moving your heavy furniture items and appliances. We have all the equipment necessary to handle those items with care. We have furniture pads, as you can see here. We have dollies. We have standard hand trucks as well as appliance dollies that are rated for heavy items such as refrigerators and small safes. And we have a home protection kit, which is in the black bag there. That's standard on every truck, and that includes items such as floor runners and banister covers, as well as other items to help protect your home during the move. All of these items are included in the cost of your move at no additional charge. At Handy Guys Moving, we have boxes big and small for all of your needs. Our boxes range from small all the way up to extra large, as well as wardrobes, and we do have the packing materials for your picture frames and mirrors and televisions as well. One of the main questions we get from our customers is, what won't you move? And I'm here to talk a little bit about that. I have 3 examples of items that we don't move, and these are the main things to consider. The first is perishable food items. Here's one example of a perishable food item. Anything that's refrigerated, non-canned, anything that could go bad. It's recommended that you take your items such as these and put them into an ice chest and carry them to your new destination before the move. The second thing that we're going to talk about is living and breathing, anything that's living and breathing. Your pets, I hope that goes without saying, but please don't try to put your pets on the truck. And something that people don't consider are plants. During the summer months, the back of our trucks get very, very hot, and that amount of heat can wither a living plant just in the time, even if it's just a local move. That amount of time is plenty to kill a plant. So we tend to not like to take your potted plants. Please try to have those moved ahead of time. And the big one is hazardous items like gasoline. Now we can carry empty gas cans like this one. So if your gas can is completely empty, no residual, nothing like that, we can carry this. But if it's full of gas, or if you have propane tanks from your grill, or even items such as aerosol paint cans and things like that, please try to pre-move those items as well. Once again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting this new channel. And please remember to like and subscribe. It helps us get things going.